Imagine boarding a train in the freezing, snow-covered mountains of Kashmir and riding it all the way down to the tropical, sun-soaked beaches of Kerala. If you stare out the window during that journey, you will feel like you are traveling through 10 different countries. The landscapes will completely transform. The languages spoken at the train stations will change. The clothes people wear and the food they eat will look completely different. How can a place with so many massive differences not completely fall apart? How do 1.4 billion people stay connected? This isn't a glitch in the matrix. It is the ultimate superpower of our country. Welcome to our next chapter, Unity in Diversity, or Many in the One. Let's look at the sheer numbers for a second. The government once ran a massive study called the People of India Project. They found that across our country, there are over 4,635 distinct communities. We speak about 325 different languages and write using 25 different scripts. But beneath all of these colorful differences, there is a powerful, invisible thread holding everything together. Think about your dinner plate. The dishes cooked in a kitchen in Punjab look and taste completely different from the dishes cooked in Tamil Nadu. But if you look closely, the foundation is exactly the same. Across the entire country, we all rely on the same staple grains like rice, wheat, and millets like bajra, jawar, and ragi. And the magic behind the flavor? We are all using the exact same core spices: turmeric, cumin, cardamom, and ginger. The ingredients are universal. It is only our brilliant creativity that makes the dishes diverse. Now look at the clothes we wear. Every single region has its own unique style. But there is one garment that proves this unity in diversity better than anything else: the sari. It is just a single, long, unstitched piece of cloth. Yet it unites the country. Whether it is a rich Banarasi or Kanjivaram silk, a vibrant Patan patola, or a simple cotton weave, the sari is a universal Indian identity. It has been worn since ancient times, draped in dozens of different regional styles. In fact, India was such a massive global powerhouse in textiles that we completely disrupted the global market. In the 17th century, a beautiful printed Indian cotton cloth called chintz became so incredibly popular in Europe that England and France actually had to ban it just to stop their own local businesses from going bankrupt. This unity extends right into our calendars too. Take the harvest season. Around January 14th every year, almost the entire country bursts into celebration. We are all celebrating the exact same transition of the sun, but we do it with our own local flavor. In one state, it is called Makara Sankranti, while in others, it might be Pongal, Lori, or Bihu. Same joy, different names. But what truly binds a nation together? Its stories. Our ancient literature is the ultimate cultural network. Take the Panchatantra, a brilliant collection of animal fables teaching deep life lessons. Written in Sanskrit over 2,200 years ago, these stories didn't just stay in one place. They were translated into almost every Indian language and eventually traveled across the globe to the Arab world, Europe, and Southeast Asia, inspiring over 200 adaptations. And then you have the absolute giants of Indian storytelling, the epics, the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. These aren't just books sitting in the library. They are living, breathing stories that have traveled across the subcontinent for over 2,000 years. But we don't just read one single version. A study in Tamil Nadu alone found nearly 100 local folklore versions of the Mahabharata. Tribal communities like the Bhils, Gonds, and Mundas have their own unique adaptations. Some local legends even claim that the heroes of these epics, like the Pandavas, visited their specific towns. These epics weave an invisible cultural web across the country, teaching universal values of dharma or righteous conduct while allowing every single community to make the story their own. And that is the true beauty of India. We don't demand that everyone looks the same, eats the same, or speaks the same. Indian culture is a massive, beautiful mosaic. It is the shared values, the ancient stories, and the deep underlying traditions that hold us together. We are proud of our differences because it is exactly those differences that make us one.